the city that never sleeps. Rising from the shores of the Atlantic Ocean, New York City stands as one of the world's most iconic urban landscapes. Home to towering skyscrapers, historic landmarks, and more than 8 million people, this city is a symbol of ambition, diversity, and innovation. At the heart of Manhattan, the magnificent Empire State Building reaches toward the clouds, while the modern skyline is crowned by the breathtaking One World Trade Center. The bright lights of Times Square illuminate the night, creating an atmosphere unlike anywhere else on Earth. Across the harbor stands the legendary Statue of Liberty, welcoming visitors from around the world for more than a century. Central Park provides a peaceful oasis amid the city's endless energy, offering green spaces surrounded by soaring skyscrapers. From Wall Street's financial power to Broadway's world-famous theaters, New York City shapes culture, business, and entertainment on a global scale. As sunset paints the skyline in shades of gold and crimson, the city transforms into a dazzling sea of lights. Every street tells a story. Every neighborhood has its own identity, and every visitor leaves with unforgettable memories. New York City is more than a destination. It is a dream, a symbol of possibility, and one of the greatest cities in the world. Welcome to Maui, Hawaii's tropical paradise, a breathtaking island where golden beaches, lush rainforests, and towering volcanoes create unforgettable landscapes. Along the island's coastline, crystal clear waters meet soft, sandy shores, offering some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Gentle ocean waves, swaying palm trees, and spectacular sunsets make every moment feel magical. Deep within Maui's valleys, hidden waterfalls cascade through vibrant tropical forests. The famous Road to Hana winds along dramatic coastal cliffs, revealing breathtaking ocean views, waterfalls, and lush jungle scenery around every turn. Rising above the island is Haleakala, Maui's massive dormant volcano. Standing at its summit, visitors witness one of the most spectacular sunrises on Earth above a sea of clouds. From snorkeling with sea turtles to exploring volcanic landscapes, Maui offers adventure and beauty in every direction. It is a place where nature, culture, and paradise come together perfectly. Maui, a tropical escape that captures the true spirit of Hawaii. Hidden deep within the desert landscapes of Arizona lies one of nature's most magical masterpieces, Antelope Canyon. Carved over thousands of years by rushing water and powerful flash floods, this narrow sandstone canyon is famous for its smooth, flowing walls and breathtaking natural beauty. As sunlight filters through the narrow openings above, brilliant beams of light descend into the canyon, creating an almost dreamlike atmosphere. The sandstone walls glow with stunning shades of orange, red, gold, and purple, constantly changing as the sun moves across the sky. Every curve, wave, and texture appears sculpted by an artist, yet it is entirely the work of nature. Photographers from around the world travel here to capture its magical light beams and mesmerizing patterns. Walking through Antelope Canyon feels like entering another world, a place where light and stone dance together in perfect harmony. More than just a canyon, it is a natural wonder that showcases the incredible power of time, water, and the forces of nature. Antelope Canyon, one of the most beautiful and unforgettable places on Earth.